channel. Today is my birthday and today it gives me immense pleasure to be able to share this vlog with you guys. Today is going to be a long exciting day and this video is all going to be about my birthday, how I celebrate, what I wear, what I do, and yeah. So I think my friends are going to arrange a party for me, like a small get together kind, not a huge party. And other than that, I don't have any fixed plan. So yeah, watch till the end and see how I celebrated my birthday. And you can make my birthday even more special by hitting that like button. And if you are watching me and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe as I come with new videos for you guys every week. So let's get started with the birthday. 9:30, so I have to have my breakfast. I have to take a shower. I have to go to the nearby temple, like just near to my house, to pray a little bit. And then I have to bake my own birthday cake. Now you may think why I'll bake my own cake is because my parents don't know baking and I like to make my own cake. So I have to do that, and then I have to reach the venue, get ready and reach the venue by 1 maximum in the afternoon. So a lot has to be done and I haven't even started. I just now woke up and I'm shooting this. This is my OOTD, birthday OOTD. The long skirt is from Myntra and the H&M top. And I have done a very subtle makeup, like not too much. I'm just wearing a chain from again H&M, and this one is from Amazon. Yeah, so that's my look. And yeah, I'll show you a nice look once I reach the venue. And I have also put up some balloons, 90% of which have already bursted. So yeah, I'm all set and ready to go.
হয়ে গেছে আমার গ্রিটিং করে আসছে চলো চলো পধারো মারি another darker side of 25. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Pooja. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Pooja. Happy birthday to you.
এটা তো ফেললাম
ঠিক আছে
নাই ভাই আমি বাইরে কাটি কেটে
আরে কি রে তুই কাটন কাটি দিচ্ছিস তোরই কাটার কথা কি না একটু বাড়ি তুই শিখতে হবে পূজা এই ছোট ছোট ডিউটিস গুলো এই মহিলা খুব বাজে হ্যাঁ তাই হ্যাঁ ব্যাস এই একটা পিস তো বলে সবাই তো খাওয়া
সবাই আমায় খাওয়াবে।
হ্যাঁ তুই না বাড়ি গো
ও
পর এই ও না লাগাতে মনে
এত মেকআপ করে
ও আচ্ছা না কি
at her, the beautiful red hair girl.
No, it's not red. It's pink. It's not red.
This is Mohor, this is Shevali, and that is Ishani you have already seen before. This is Ashwini.
Already
and
seen?
Not seen on my video. First time. Useless woman. And so another starter is here, and this is I think red pepper chicken. That one, the previous one is already over. That is barbecue chicken. Guys, I have finally got some dim sum. You guys know I love. Yeah, this is not momo. This is dim sum, and it has a spicy, yummy chutney which I'm eager to try. I don't like sharing this, but I have to share sadly. Yeah. Let's dig in. Chili chicken.
Okay, so this is chili chicken. I think this is chili chicken and this is chicken in oyster sauce. Both look nice. Let's have a taste. And
Chili garlic noodles to go along with that, whatever she said. We are going to have that, and we have ordered 3 chili garlic noodles. If it is less, we will order more. So now it's time to have the main course. We are done with the starters.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Pooja. Happy birthday to you.
She's just lying around. All the things are lying there. The mess at the background, and we have to watch a movie, but she's too tired to do anything, and she's just lying, and she just wants to rest. And I want to play games. I want to watch movies. I want to dance. I want to do so many things, and I also have this balloons up, and I still want to do so many things, but she's just lying and not want to move a muscle. Perfect example. Finally, we are having this for dinner. She has come to my house and we are going to have an after party. This is the cold drink. Of course, we have finished half of it. And yeah, these are all the gifts that I have got. Like so many chocolates I have got. And this one is a USB fairy lights. The same one that I got during the Diwali time. And this is a gift. So thank you for this. And we are going to have this. This is all homemade food. This is a very traditional Bengali dish. It's called payasam or payesh as we call it. It's made out of a simai or rice like that. This is made of a simai and made of milk. It's a dessert and usually made on good occasions like birthdays and all. My favorite. And chicken and some veg pulao. So we are going to have this, and this is a homemade cake that I have made and it has not turned out good, but still we are going to have this. Along with it, we are also going to have some nachos and maybe watch some movie, and yeah, then we'll see what to do. So that's it guys for today's vlog or the birthday vlog. Actually, we did not shoot much last night, I realized while editing the footage. And honestly, we did not do much. We just had some midnight snacks of nachos and a chocolate cake and cold drink, and then we just gossiped, and at around 3 or 3:30 we went to bed, and yeah, so that was it. And then she left in the morning. So it was overall a very good birthday. So thank you to all of you who showed up at my birthday party and who organized so many things for me. And I want to thank each one of you for your wishes. And if you are wondering where are the birthday gifts when you are going to show me that, well, I will show you guys in my next video. I don't want to extend this video for too long, so the gifts video will be a separate video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.